All right. How's everybody doing? Good day. I was inspired by a couple of other people today. Augie and Ben Sifty. They were doing some profiling, and I realized that the last time I did profiling, or I even looked at the FPS, was a long time ago. And I just assumed I was at 60. But I checked, and I was not at 60. It was pretty bad. So I gotta fix that. How's it going, in Squar? And Squar Oa. Thank you for the follow. I have a feeling that profiling while streaming is not great. But let's try it. All right, so now I actually am getting 60, which is good. My issue was that every single UI in the game was open but hidden. Like it was not hidden. It was open, but the alpha was set to 0, and that made a big difference. If I pause it, okay, I still get good frame rate. I might be okay now, actually. Basically, the issue was that all of the canvases, all of the layout groups, they update every frame. So I just had, I have hundreds of them, and they were all running every frame. And it was using, it was like maybe 15 milliseconds just for that. All right, let's see. Analysis, profiler. I have it over here. It's not great. Like, there's a lot of spikes, and it actually doesn't even look like I'm getting 60 FPS, even though this... Oh, well. Now I'm getting 30. I guess the profiler itself just uses a lot of CPU. So if I stop it, let's see what's going on. Like, what are these spikes? Let's look at the timeline. Venrix, how's it going? Thank you for the follow. 99. Good morning or good afternoon to you. You want me to do a Duolingo now? Okay. Duolingo.com. Here, I got it. I got it here now. Not now. Oh, wait, can I even hear it? Omedetou. Congratulations. 2週間かかりました。2週間. Wait, why is the furigana on? Get that out of here. Done. Okay. 2週間か Shukan. What is Shukan? 10 days? Is that 20 days? Kakarimashita? Took 10 days? Maitsuki oyogimasu. Maitsuki oyogimasu. Every month? I swim. Yeah. I swim every month. Maitsuki oyogimasu. Maitsuki. Maishu oyogimasu. Every week I swim, right? I drink tea every night. Oh, so yeah, so I can't speak it. These are the ones that they would let me speak it. Maiban ocha o nomimasu. Maitsuki ramen o tabemasu. Every month I eat ramen. Otanjoubi omedetou. Happy birthday. Otanjoubi omedetou. That one I can't remember. Sarainen wa daigaku ni ikimasu. Sarainen. The next year. Next year I'm going to college. Sarainen wa daigaku ni ikimasu. I drink alcohol every night. Maiban osaka o nomimasu. Right? Maishu byoin o dekakimasu. Etekakimasu. Wait, why? Why do they go to the hospital every week? Oh no. Byoin he dekakemasu. I go out. Wait. Maitsuki ginko e dekakimasu. Every month I go to the bank. I go out to the bank. Why does it go out? Why would you do that? What does that even mean? Munas, how's it going? Konbanwa. Konbanwa. Wait, what? What did I put? Oh, when did I? Ah, I just clicked wrong. You distracted me. That's fine. It takes 1 week. Oh, actually, I don't know that one. Ishokan. Is it this one? It's probably this one. Ishokan kakarimasu. Ishukan. Ishukan. Sumimasen. Nomimono. Keisa. Oh, asa. Yugata. Yuki. Tanjoubi. Takes 2 weeks. 2週間. 2週間 kakarimasu. Oh, it took 2 weeks. Kakarimashita. 11月 is 11月. It's November. Yoka. It's 8, right? 8th day. Futsuka, 2nd day. Kyonen, it's last year. Tanjoubi. Happy birthday. Sarainen wa nannen desu ka? What year is next year? Wait, what year will the next... Wait, is it? What year is the next year? What year is the year? Oh, year after next. Sarainen. Oh, because Rainen, that's what I got wrong before, right? Tanjo. Wait, no, 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 no. Yeah? Tanjo omedetou? Tanjo. Tanjobi. Oh, whoops. I forgot the beat. Tanjobi omedetou. Maitsuki. Ginko e dekakimasu. I go out to the bank every month. Happy. Sarainen wa nannen desu ka? What year is the year after next? Tanjobi omedete. Omedetou. Tanjobi. All right, we did it. Thank you, 99. I've been demoted so much. All right. Thank you. Muniz, how's it going? I should study Japanese too? What are you typing? Are you just Google translating stuff? What is other? Other does a lot. You know a little? Physics. Look at that. Sinking colliders. Scripts. Okay, what are the scripts doing? Like what? How can I see here? What is this? What are the scripts doing? I've been studying for 5 to 6 years on and off, mostly off. Oh. Any reason? Any particular reason? The hell is this flush counters? So the player loop, that's like my stuff, right? Is that how that works? And what is raw hierarchy versus hierarchy? Oh. Oh, I see. This doesn't actually look so bad, right? Can I sort this by... Okay. Post, late update, player update, canvases. Yeah, look at this. The canvases. Everything. It's crazy. Fixed update. That's not even me. I don't even do anything in fixed update. It's all PhysX. Are you kidding me? Look at this. It's almost like my game doesn't even exist. I don't even know what all this stuff is. I guess this is why people hate Unity and why they like Godot. Like if I go here, all right, there's a lot going on here. Physics fix. Like what is this physics stuff? None of that's me. All right, 8% is canvases. 4% is render pipeline. 1% is update this behavior, which it seems to be very cumulative. And okay, fine. So my inventory selection marker is 0.1% of the total. 0.06 milliseconds. In control update. Okay. So it looks like if I do this, I can kind of see my stuff. So when the game's not doing anything, basically the only thing happening is this stuff. Watashi ga Nihongo bunkasuki desu. Bunkasuki desu. What's that? I have no idea if that's right, but I tried. Yeah, I don't know what the rest, I don't know what the end of that sentence means. What's this spike? I don't know. You know what? I think it's fine. I think whatever I just did is good enough. I technically need to test it. So the things that I did. I basically made it so that this menu is now, when it's closed, it is hidden from the game. Which I think that's okay. Bunka is cultural, I think. Yeah, I never heard that word. We don't need that anymore. We don't need that anymore. Don't need that camera, and that's good. Okay. So I was thinking today, there's something I wanted to do. I wanted to like block certain conversations happening based on location. So I need to see what location an NPC is in. Do I have that? Let's see if I have that. Location system. No, NPC system? So I have set conversation progress. Is guest checked in? Custom greeting. Get NPC location. I do have it. Okay. Get NPC location. Wait a minute. Do I do this already? I go to dialogue. So basically Jeff, right? Jeff, he processes photos for you, which unlock certain things in the visitor center. And I only want this conversation to be available when he's in the visitor center. And then I kind of only want shops to be available there too. So dialogue, conversations, Jeff. Start. Capturing the wild. So here I basically want to see if Jeff's in the visitor center. So the NPC name and the location. Get NPC location. Right. So I return true if that NPC is in that location. It's funny, this song sounds like there's two songs on top of each other. No, it's definitely one song. It's like, do I have another video playing? I like Japanese culture is what I tried to say. Oh. Oh, bunka is culture. Oh. Bunka. I thought you meant like it's, I don't know why. My brain put an A in between culture and I, and it made it cultural. I see. Ski desu. Ah, bunka ski desu. How do you say Japanese culture? Do you say, so you don't say Nihongo, right? You say with like Nihon no bunka? Like, let's see. So you say Japanese culture. Nippon bunka. Nippon. Yeah, Nihongo is language. It's like Japanese language. But if I say Nihon bunka. It's gonna do it correctly, but Nihon no bunka. It actually doesn't know what that is. So I guess it's just Nihon bunka? I don't know. Nippon bunka, not Nihon bunka. Nihon. Yeah, okay, so it is Nippon. All right. So what is this get NPC location? I go to the locomotion state machine and then I get the location. And the location is the name. Okay. It's kind of bad. If I ever change this, it's... So current conditions equal active and I must have done this somewhere. Custom. Guess? No. NPC. Get NPC location. So this is Jeff. And the location should be visitor center. Right? Location, visitor center. Interior. I don't like that. Otherwise, block it. So let's see if that works. All right, so I need to activate the quest, right? Capturing the wild, it is active. If I talk to him, I shouldn't see it. I don't see it. Okay. And then I come here. Jeff. Ooh, it's still not active. What is this? Very strange. All right, let me throw some debugs in there. If location equals spawn NPC, NPC. Yep. Anyway, Munis, if you're still there, how's the game dev going?
Specific planned for today's show. This week's show is going to be really interesting. Don't tell what's going to be in the show.
Maripon, how's it going? Konnichiwa. Okay. It didn't even throw a print. Why didn't it throw a print? It's not even printing that. Why? Am I never even... Oh, because his name is not Jeff. His name is Basic Jeff. His name is not Jeff. Dialogue. Conversations. Oh, that's annoying. Basic Jeff. Oh, it still didn't check. What the hell? Maybe that's... Oh, maybe... I like the new redeem. You need some more Japanese language redeems. 99 already made me do it. It's on a 1 hour cooldown. It must be an underscore. Can I just change it here? It's gonna crash. There it is. Okay. Just needed to be an underscore. So only wait till he leaves. Your voice is low or the mic is far away. How about now? That's... The mic was far away. Yeah. I thought I was kind of yelling into it, so I moved it away. Oh, she takes her a long time to get here. I guess that's fine. But they go home together. And then he doesn't... Okay, not available. Great. We fixed it. So now that that is strictly there, that means we have to be there too. If you can't get that conversation unless you're there, that means we're there. That means we can throw a cutscene in the game and have something animate up and be all fun. That was the least convincing sentence ever. I guess we can make it all fun. So here's what I want to do. The checker. Collection checker. We're going to listen for an event, and then we're going to unhide it. Public void check. And that event is going to be collection has updated. Does this throw events? No, it doesn't. Oh wait, I throw modal info. What should I do here? You can only do one at a time. So it's safe. I'm very safe to like do dirty cutscenes. Dirty, yeah. And by dirty, I mean kind of like weak and like game breaking prone. Only you would want that. I have visitors center events. Visitor center event type. I can say new collection. You are not safe for work, dev. Now after all, what are you working on nowadays? You got any new jams? New collection item added. How about that? New collection item added. And collection tracker. Collect photo. So maybe I get rid of this modal view. Like I don't even do this. I just do a cutscene instead. Let me try that. So we're not going to do this anymore. We're going to now, oops. We're going to say visitor center event dot trigger. New collection item added. The collection name. Actually, I don't know it in this context, actually. No new jams. I'm full on into creating a VR flat screen virtual dating sandbox. Like a real one, or like for two people to actually meet, or is it for like one person to talk to an NPC? That sounds interesting. So the collection, what should the collection be? Should I just make a list of one? Is that how that works? It's not giving me an error. Do I have to say that? Why is nothing giving me an error? Why do all of these work? This is not going to work. And the collection tracker can listen. Public void. Public. No. On enable. One person talked to an NPC. I got it working with an AI chatbot too, but on scale for a single developer with no backing, it's too expensive if it gets any kind of traction. So I'm going with more tailored dialogue experience based on context cues and interactions. More work writing, but it should still be fun. Yeah, definitely. If, okay, so if e.event type equals new collection item up added, we check if e.collection, I guess maybe we cycle through it for each photograph photo in e.collection. Angerblade, hey, how's it going? In my never-ending quest to help streamers and such, I need your help. What could you use? What bot commands or tools could you use that would help someone like you? If you didn't know, I offer a ton of free and open API endpoints and tools for people for free. Do you have any ideas for me? That's a good question. I'm so bad. I didn't even do my streamer alert today. You just reminded me. Um, what would I want? I don't know. Honestly, I want a tool where, oh, I know what I want. I want a tool where I can put in a string that auto bans someone if they come in here. Like that Twitch live long chaos. I just want to put in a few strings, all the different versions of live long chaos. And if anyone comes in with that name, insta banned. Hey, FLT, how's it going? Thank you for the raid. How you doing? How was your stream? Yari, how's it going? What'd you get up to today? I wasn't following you, FLT. I'm sorry. Doing some math. Nice. We estimated pi with Pythagorean's triples. Pythagorean triples? What is that? That's math. Yeah, I'm not good with math. I know Pythagorean's theorem. That's about it. So you want a bot that will sit in chat, and when someone joins, it will check the username. And if it matches a certain criteria, it will auto ban them. Hells yeah. Then I don't have to deal with live whatever chaos. That bot has been plaguing me and everyone else. I don't even know. I wonder if it extends beyond software dev category. Like, I don't know if anyone else is experiencing that bot. It's very annoying. And usually, every time it comes in here, it gets banned. It has like a new number at the end. And by the end of the stream, I check the stream manager and it says unknown user. So it must have been deleted like by Twitch pretty quickly. Do you want username matching or message matching? Username matching. Pythagorean triples are just whole numbers that make the Pythagorean theorem true. Ah. Do you do software? Do you do game dev as well? Or do you do like software stuff? If you have anything you want to share, please do. 3, 4, 5, because 3 squared plus 4 squared equals 5 squared. Well, that's fun. I see. So what were you doing with them? You were like discovering them? 5, 12, 13. You do EverQuest, game dev, and math. Wait, I didn't know this. I was addicted to EverQuest for so long. Oh, I had it all. We might have talked about this before. I remember talking about EverQuest with someone before. Maybe it was you. But yeah, I had a level 60 bard. I had the epic weapon. I was in some guild. We raided stuff. Maybe. Can you work in C sharp? Like, are you asking me to like get along, or are you saying if you send me some code, do I know how to compile it and run it? Like standalone C sharp code. You made the Bomberman game. Oh right, I remember playing that. I do remember playing that. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, my brain is so fried. Angablade. I don't think I could actually. Without the context of Unity, I'm like kind of an idiot. I don't know how to like compile a piece of software. Yeah, no, I couldn't use it. I couldn't use it. You don't have to do this. This is just something that is the only thing that popped into my head. I honestly you don't have to do this. It's all good. I don't expect everyone to remember me. I mean, I remember you. Like I remember your name. I remember you coming in here. I just don't remember that. Let's play EQ together. No, I can't. I can't load that up again. That was high school. That was high school. I couldn't do that again. If photo equals, if photo is, no. Collection object, photo. Oh, I have to say if collection object is photograph, photo, right? Oh, I can't say photograph, photograph. Collection photo. And then if collection photo equals photo, that means this is us. That means this is the tree. This is the whatever we just took a photo of. Now what do we want to do? I want to start a cutscene, I guess. EQ rocks, yeah. I mean, I have fond memories of it. It was a problem. It became a problem. I think my story is not an uncommon one where EverQuest for young people playing, it's a problem. You know, stopped hanging out with friends, only played EverQuest. Didn't go out on weekends, just wanted to play. Came home from school, didn't do my homework, just played only. Bard's Rock. Yeah, Bard was fun. I always felt like I always felt weak in all areas except crowd control. Like that, I feel like that's where a bard stood out the most. The buffs, they were like tiny percentages, I feel like they didn't do much. It was cool like blasting a buff on everyone every 3 seconds. That's cool. You can chain them and have a bunch, but the only thing that felt useful was the crowd control, and crowd control is like such a subtle thing, you know, when you're dealing big damage, like when you're a rogue and you're just dealing crazy amounts of damage, you feel like you're powerful, and when you're a tank and you're absorbing hit after hit, you feel like you're powerful, and when you're a healer bringing people back from near death, you feel it. But crowd control, it's a little more subtle. You don't really feel how useful you are, but you do. I mean, but you are. Speed song, yeah, yeah. That no, bards definitely had like some unique stuff that I liked. My alt was a rogue because I was so sick of like never dealing any damage. Even with the epic weapon, I was useless. So I alted as a rogue just because I needed that. I needed to just get some crits, some satisfying critical hits, some what was it called? Backstab, yeah. What does the username look like typically? I don't know. They're probably here right now. They'll show up in a minute. Let's see. It's always like live long chaos. I wonder if it's in my ban list. Let's look. Channel? How do I look at my ban list? Community? Activity? No. Settings, channel, moderation? Blocked. Suspicious user controls. Shared ban info. Oh, weird. Does this already exist, the thing I'm asking for? Ban chatters. Yeah, they all look like this. Oh my god. Oh, that's so funny. Wait, I didn't even add these people to my ban list. Why are they here? Oh, maybe I did add that person. There's a lot of people on my ban list that I don't remember putting there. They all look like some version of this. Oh, yeah, I think I can. Here, I'll just DM you. I'm just getting rid of like all the dates and stuff. Okay. There. That's what they all were. I mean, they all end in Twitch scam. Augie. Wait, Anga, don't do this. Don't do it. You altered a mage. Yeah, mages they dealt a lot of power. Wait, did I ult a mage too? I think I alted at least every class for a few hours, or a few days, or a few weeks. But always the bard, you know. Augie, how you doing? Hells yeah, we got them trees. Augie made this emote for us. It's wonderful. Okay, so we want a cutscene. We want the camera to come over to it and pop. So maybe what I do is this gets a reference to the camera. Public game object. Virtual camera. Virtual camera. And I can have an using Unity system.collections. Okay, I'm gonna do a little. Should I do a timeline or should I do? Nah, I'll just have a public game object and then the spawn poof. Spawn poof and virtual camera. There we go. Foul in the air. I thought I felt something in the air. Yeah, you did. It was Augie. Heavy breathing. How's it going, Foul? I finished using up brain cells. You did good today. You and Finn were going. I was like optimizing at the same time as you guys. I was just going through it. I basically had about 15 to 20 milliseconds of my update dedicated to my UI layout groups. No bueno. I was not hitting 60 FPS, but we're back. We're back at 60. It's going well. How are you? I'm doing good. I'm doing good. I'm just, trying to add some juice. I shared the museum collection system with the game dev field guide peeps. Shout out to my GDFG peeps. If you don't know what the game dev field guide is, Zaccavelli. There we go. Follow Zaccavelli. He has a podcast called the Game Dev Field Guide, and he's got a whole community, a whole Discord community of like beginner game devs, and that's kind of where I started, like last year when I was looking for game dev communities. It's a really good place. So I was sharing the museum collection stuff with them. They have like a book club every week. Some people hop on for like a couple hours and just show off stuff, and a few of the people there had some very good ideas that I want to add. One of them being these cutscenes that I'm adding. Like, so when you collect a photo now, it's just going to instantly do a cutscene, pop up the item. And the second thing was quests that require you to take different photos of different things, and then you get a painting as a reward. So I think I'm going to have one of the characters in the game be an artist, and they're looking for reference, and when you bring them certain photos as reference, then they can give you a bespoke painting or collage or something that would require, one, two, four different kinds of photos. Not sure what yet. No, that was in his ear. Juice is good. I'm not there yet. Juice is good. It's hard. I actually don't feel like I'm there yet either. I feel like I have way more things to do than add juice, but I just want to wrap up this week strong, I want to finish this, not finish it, but I want to walk away like knowing that I spent all week on the museum. I think I started it on Monday, and by Friday it's like in a good place. So what about paintings with 4 items, animals, people in them? Yeah. Yeah, definitely. Like I guess it would make sense for the character to be a painter because you would need different photos for that. So like, take a picture of a pine tree in every season and bring it back to me, and then it's a very classic image where it's the same tree in 4 different seasons, and that can be a painting that she can give you, and you can put it on your walls. And maybe it's like, I don't know, take a picture of Jeff. Jeff loves getting his photo taken. uh, Take a picture of Jeff and a deer, and it's like a picture of Jeff riding a deer. Something ridiculous. Basically ended up with, this is expensive, but it's pretty. You should just leave it as it is. Really? Wait, but are you back to 60 frames per second? We released our stat block patch yesterday or last night. How does that change the way the game plays? Stats block patch. On Steam Deck? Never was. Oh, okay. So you're just not going to support Steam Deck. You're only going to support like high-end PCs. I was thinking about a painting of a panda violinist in the forest at sunset. Require photos of panda violin forest in a sunset. I mean, yeah, that's a good idea. I don't have those. I wonder how I would do forest. Like, just take any photo in the forest. The sunset could be interesting. Maybe I can say like, take a picture of the sunset from the dock, and you have to be on the dock at between a certain time with the camera facing outward, and then only then will that like interactable show up. I want to support Steam Deck, that's why I'm trying. Yeah, I mean, I noticed. Yeah, your trees. I just noticed your trees are pretty crazy. But yeah, how do you deal with that? The forest could be a particular statue in the forest. Yeah, yeah, it could just be a certain spot, like like a specific tree that grows that you can't chop down, like a what's it called? A Not a monument, but a point of interest, a POI. All right, so I want an eye enumerator. Cutscene sequence. So I basically want to flick the camera on. Virtual camera dot set active true. I want to yield return wait for seconds. I need to wait for the camera to finish animating. I hate hard coding stuff, but I know for a fact it's 2.5 seconds. And let me confirm that. Grumble. I'm here to get my streak and then go to bed. I'm going to start my stream one day at like 5 in the morning for you. Oh my God, it's like 4 in the morning. What the hell, man? You're going to ruin my streak. See, I have a 5 stream streak for you now, and you're going to stream over the weekend, and I'm not going to be able to catch it because I'm busy on the weekend. And then that's it. Streak over. I got to start over. I had a 10. I had a 10 streak, and you ruined it by doing a weekend stream. Shanna Khan, thank you for the follow. How's it going? Welcome in. I'm going to go get to bed and go to streak. I keep losing my streak. Sorry, Fal. Just don't worry about the damn streak. Basically, the trees are only crazy near the player. It's actually fine everywhere else. So we deemed it fine. So I just got to take a holistic approach and cut down a little bit everywhere else. Yeah, I mean, you might have too many trees. Like, what if you just make slightly less trees? Actually, I don't even think that would be an issue because it's not the poly count that's the problem. Like one big tree is going to be the same performance hit as like 3 little trees for you. Are streaks live for all channels now? I don't think so. I had like 7 here, then decided to stream and not tell you. I mean, I never tell you. Affiliate and up, yeah. Foul. I know you're very anti-affiliate. I respect that. I remember I was in one of your streams and I think you and Arrow were arguing about, or maybe I don't know who exactly it was. Just everyone arguing with you at all times, but they were like, just go affiliate, get the emotes back, get the engagement. Actually, it might have been someone random. Affiliates are the worst, I know. Look, if I wasn't an affiliate, I couldn't do this. Actually, wait. Yeah, you can't have emotes, right? You can't have emotes. Emotes are fun. And then you guys can't remind me to do whatever. Do Duolingo. Finn thinks it's the little shader stuff. Probably. Because, I mean, it looked like the edges. 7. Damn. When's the next emote? The next emote should be, the next emote should be the tree standing up. Like, standing up straight, not going back and forth. And basically, it's little, like, I'm gonna call it its arms. I'm gonna say the little spikes, those are its arms, right? It should just like kind of like go up a little and then like cheer its little arms, you know. Cheer, cheer. You owe me a single internet? What did you do? What is this? Potential dangerous download. Whoa there. While programs downloaded from the internet may be beneficial, this type of file can damage your device or steal your personal data. Make sure to only run executables from developers that you trust. Angleblade. 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 This relationship we have. Is it about to grow or is it about to crash? I promise it's fine. But what is it exactly? Like what is I don't even know how to run a bot. Like I don't even know how to do anything. Do you have enough animated emote slots? I have 7. Right? I don't even know how to get animated emote slots. It's a bot that sits in chat. But what does that even mean? What is a bot? What does that even mean? Is it so when you launch the software, it spawns up a thing that joins this chat? Yeah. Why? How many do you have? How many is normal? If I go to content, no. Community, no. I can never remember. Where the hell? Viewer remotes, viewer rewards. Yeah, animated emotes, 1 out of 7. Standard emotes, 0 out of 7. I don't know. I have a stupid amount. Well, you have a lot of followers. It checks to see if someone joins that matches the regex. And if it does, it auto bans them. A bot is I mean, I understand what a bot is. I just don't understand like how a bot functions. Maybe this will just teach me how to make my own bots. Also, I don't know what happened. Something happened. My Instagram, or not my Instagram, my Twitter is going crazy. Ever since I posted a couple of posts a few days ago, my Twitter is going nuts. I've been getting a new follower like every 15 minutes. 58 likes on a screenshot of some wish lists. That's abnormal. I did the same post 2 weeks ago. I got like 2. It feels like everyone's a bot also because the comments I'm getting are weird. The comments I'm getting they feel like AI or something. Is all of Twitter a bot? Is it just a bot? Uh, like millions of bots meant to engage with users to keep them happy? Russian Twitter. Listen, FLT. That's what it feels like. The dead internet theory. Also, tell me what emotes should emote. I'll decide what the most readable movement would be. Oh, dang. I'll decide which ones are going to be readable. You just sit there and come up with words. I need a wave. Well, I need a no. That is the wave. I need a. Oh, we need a dance then. If this is the wave, then we need a dance that's like a wiggle, you know. Elon has to train his humanoid AI models somehow. Yeah, I think that it just they just feel like bots. I don't know. So we need a dance. I need a oh, you know, it'd be cool, a heart one where if the tree is just standing there and then like the middle of the tree opens up and there's just a thumping heart and then it like closes back. Oh, I wiggled once. I know how to do this. Yeah. I'm just messing with Yagi. I need a heart, a dance, a cheer, and a sad. I need a sad. You know, just like the sad one probably doesn't even need to be animated. That can just be like a leaning over tree. You know, emotes are very small. I know emotes are small. Also, Jack Ida, welcome in, first time chatta. But yeah, I don't know what's going on. I've gotten more engagement on my Twitter in the last 24 hours than I've gotten basically in the last 5 months. Karma wants an animated emote that's 720 by 720. How is this not already dancing? It is though. It is dancing, but I think then but you know, it's wave. It's not dance, it's wave. I think the sine curve is cool, and I think the sad one is quick. The sad one is just an image. And then yeah, what would a cheer be? Ooh, if you can do like the life cycle of it, so it kind of grows and dies and goes away. It's just infinite. Check your DMs. Oh, I downloaded it. Let me. So how do I run it? I've extracted it. Here it is. Booyah. How do I run this? That is a lot of files. The cheer should include the word booyah. I sent you the source code as well. I trust you. I trust you. Let's do this. What do I click on? It's just a lot of DLLs. Is it just Booyah D? I think he means the actual word. Yeah, yeah. Oh my god, what is this song? It's getting crazy. Let's get back to the basics. Booyah, booyah. Yeah, I need a booyah, booyah. Oh, I need a grandma too. And then I need an MMA fighter. I need the tree to have gloves and is ready to grapple. All right, I'm not getting anything done. So, what does this mean? In a part emote? No. I don't want to be reminded. 250 days played. 250 days played. How much is that? Calculator app. 250 days times 24 hours in a day. Oops. 250 days times 24 hours. 6,000 hours. I played EverQuest for 6,000 hours and I am not proud. Not quite a year. Did I really? Oh, but you know what? That was only the Bard though. I must have had at least a few hundred hours in the Rogue and then little bits here and there for other classes. But 6,000 hours. That's almost my Minecraft hours. Wow. But you've been playing Minecraft for how long? Those days were accumulated in a very short amount of time. Granted, sometimes I'll just leave the game on all day and walk away, but not enough to warrant those numbers. 14 years. Yeah, that's my EverQuest hours were built up in maybe 3. It was bad. Let's clean this up a bit. Okay, so we'll start here. We'll start with the meadow. So the prop photos. This is what I'm doing. I need to add the virtual camera and the spawn poof. I should make this a prefab. Let's make this a prefab. This is going to be a, what's it called? It's like a, you couldn't do it. Yeah, I got insta addicted to it. It didn't help that a real life friend of mine played with me. So I had like something to talk about at school. So we'd play after school, we'd talk about it during school, and then it just invaded my entire life. This is a, I don't know, like a museum. No. Display. Yeah, whatever. Museum display. Visitor center exterior prefabs. Where did this come from? Where did this go? Select. Oh, interior prefabs, visitor center. Okay. So we'll throw that there. I can't assign the camera because I don't know what it's going to be, but I can assign the poof. Decor poof. Poof. Decor poof. Star poof. Maybe I'll use star poof. What does star poof look like? Oh, that's cool. We'll use that. Ragnarok was more my speed. I heard of that game. I never played it. I was vaguely aware of all the other MMOs out, but nothing could have taken me away from the one. I did eventually play World of Warcraft, but I was like a hermit in World of Warcraft. Because I was so scarred by like EverQuest's addiction, I soloed all of World of Warcraft. I never joined a group once. I never did any group content. It was 100% by myself. Finn! How's it going, Finn? You know what, Finn? It's time. I'm going to give you a sword. Kneel! Kneel! You don't have to do anything with that. You just get it. Forced moderator status. I really enjoyed your joint stream with Augie today, where you were talking about Unreal performance issues. It was a good rundown. Like, that's tutorial worthy. You can literally take that, just cut it up a little, upload it to YouTube, and I think a lot of people would learn a lot about optimizing Unreal. Stab me, please. Knife. That's great. Wait, so Anga, you didn't tell me how to launch this thing. You have to fill out the settings.ini file first. Oh, you did tell me. Settings.ini. There is no settings.ini. That file doesn't exist. Or is it something I have to make? See, this is how bad I am. Kill, marry, F with the periodic table. What the hell? That's ridiculous. I see a foul in the chat history. We were playing Amnesia, though. What do you mean you were playing Amnesia? Star poof. I gotta make one. I gotta make a star poof. Copy. And then FX. I have an FX prefabs folder right here. Paste. Star poof. Now I got my own star poof where I can customize it. It's really slow. Maybe not. Maybe it won't be. Let's use it. So the museum display. It's going to have my star poof. The horror game Amnesia. Ah. Particles. Yeah, I didn't. This is a pack. I did not make these particles. I ain't got time for that. Particle effects are it's a whole art form. Like most of game dev, each one of these little things can be its own little art form. And effects is not something I want to spend any time on. So, action when collected. I think that's all I need. What I should do now, though, is make sure that these are at the locations they need to be. So museum display, meadow. I got to set all these up again. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to grab one. And I'm going to set it up on the prime pine. And I'm going to put it right where this pine tree is. Okay, but the romance option for the bear Need to take priority after. Particles. Oh man, Finn. I was absolutely rocked by Houdini the other day at work. So frustrated. I was so frustrated. Oh my god. I was trying to pick up some I mentioned it in your chat. I was trying to pick up someone else's scene. It was the simplest of scenes. It's just so hard to labor through all the nodes and see what they all do and where's the material assigned? Is it at the object level? No. Is it at the SOP level? No. Is it ah, oh my god. It drives me nuts. Wow, it's 6:40 and the dog is not begging for food. That's special. In a bad way. It was very, very bad. Very bad. So I need one for each. One for you, one for you, one for you, and one for you. Okay. So this is young pine, infant pine, green butterfly, beetle A. Purple moss. You said the F word? Now the dog will start begging? That's a good point. She knows food. She definitely knows food. She's being chill though. I don't know. Now I'm worried. God damn it. Oh, here she comes. Nope, she just wants to lick herself. Quit it, dog. She woke me up at 4 or when did she wake me up today? 5:15 in the freaking morning. I actually don't want this to be set. Oh, I forgot I can click that button. If I click this button, it only shows me photographs. So prime. Prime pine. There we go. Young pine. Pepe, stop it. Quit it. Okay. And the camera should be this camera. Virtual camera. Yep. Great. So now, Purple Moss, I'm adding the cutscenes that will display these things immediately that was talked about at today's book club meeting. Or was that yesterday's book club meeting for you? So here, we wait for the camera move. Oh, right. This whole thing. I came in here to check what that transition time was. I never did it. Transition time is 2 seconds. Okay. it's 2 seconds. So I'll wait 2.2 seconds. Land. Yo, Odd, how's it going? How you doing? You're up early. Wait, no. You're up late. You're on Japan time. Yeah, you are. How you been? How's the game coming? I'm still waiting for that Mac build so I can join your playtest. Life is sweet, making progress on my stuff's nice. Mac build one day? Never. No one ever makes me a Mac build. Except Purple Moss. Purple Moss makes me a Mac build. Okay, I'm gonna wait 2.2 seconds. Then we're gonna poof, and then we're gonna spawn system dot spawn? No. Instance dot spawn. Spawn poof. And then why is it upset? Transform dot position. Quat dot ident, and then auto activate. Yeah, of course. I got you. Easy Albert, how's it going? Okay, the dog is stirring now. She knows. She's like, oh. Let me feed her. Let me feed her. I'll be back in 2 minutes. Take a break, everyone. Take a break. All right, we back. We got to build up the max support one game at a time. Yeah. Take matters into our own hands. We do, it's true. One does not simply walk into max support. Cutscene. Start coroutine. And then we spawn, and then we do the check, right? We check. Set children active. No, we just want to check. Okay, this should work. This should be it. Done. And then we wait 2 seconds. Yield return new, wait 4 seconds. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. Ooh, maybe I pop a modal camera, a modal window, and then when that closes, that's when the camera goes back. Oh, then I gotta ask for input. I don't want to do that. Let's just do this for now. I'll just virtual camera dot set active false, and then let's see what happens. As of September 2023, the most frequent used OS by users of the gaming platform Steam was Windows at almost 97%. I know the numbers. Linux followed in second place with 1.6, ahead of OS X with 1.43. That's because all the Mac users are on the Mac App Store. They don't use Steam. They don't even know what Steam is. I actually was planning on releasing on the Mac App Store just to see what happens. It's a very quiet marketplace. Who knows? That is so. It's funny that sounds really lopsided, but let me look at my wish list numbers. My wish list numbers tell a different story. My wish list numbers. Oh wow. 37 Mac wish lists. And then 1700 total. What is that? 37. Or no, it's 1612. It's 2.2%. Yeah, 2.2%. That's actually pretty close. So, and I say it's 1700 total. 100 or 1100 of those are unspecified. So I'm assuming the unspecifieds are PCs. There could be more. It could be up to 3% Mac. I gotta support the Mac. Also, it's so easy for me. It's like I literally haven't had to change a single line of code for Mac or PC yet. I'm sure I will eventually, but so far, not a single line of code is different. I saw something from Chet Falazek today that was relevant. Just keep it simple. Build for the popular platform, dev for the popular platform. Sure. When push comes to shove, if I do need to change things drastically, I'm going to support Windows only, of course. But so far, it's not a single line of code that's different. And all I have to do is change a drop-down box, like a drop-down from Mac to PC, hit build, done. I'll support that. I don't care. I bet Unreal could build to macOS easily, but I wouldn't be able to easily test what I'm publishing. My MacBook is a punk. I said this though. Your platform is mono. You're speaking. I don't know what language you're speaking. It's definitely not mine. All right, let's test this. So if I make a new save file, my game has no code difference between OS builds either. Nice. You're in Godot, right? Purple Moss. Damn, I wish we had the bot running. I don't know how to run it. Anga. That's so funny. I mean, it's inevitable. Ah, do you get that bot? Do you get that bot? The live long chaos Twitch scam. Every freaking day. I need a camera. Okay, so here's Jeff. I need the quest to be active. Capturing the wild. Active. I've gotten a few. I think Automat catches it. It does, but it spams my chat, and it's really annoying. So I always ban it. Ah, crap. I gotta go put the cone back on the dog. One sec. Unreal's problem isn't the code. The problem is that the tool chain is not specific or platform agnostic, which .NET Mono aims to be, which is Unity's big advantage. I see. Is that why making iPhone apps for Unreal is kind of a pain, and making them in Unity is pretty painless? All right, let me go grab a picture of a pine tree. We'll see this cutscene work. Wait a minute, what was that? Nothing. Gotcha. Oh, what's that little guy? Oh, he's a cutie. Infant oak. Prime pine. Let's do it. All right, raise your hand if you think this is going to work. First try. I'm going to raise my hand. All right, Jeff. Let's do this. Hi there, my name is Jeff. I'm new here. I know you're new here. Capture the wild. Got anything new for me? Yelp. Let's take a look. That was sick. That was sick. Oh my god, I loved it. Oh shit. All right. Is it okay to get that excited about my own garbage? That looked pretty good, right? Yeah. I like that. Okay, so the icing on the cake is going to be after the camera comes back, then I'm going to do a pop-up photo taken of that's the thing. Okay. And I already have the code. I just have to put it in the right spot. So where did it go? Where did it go? I forget. Collection tracker? Yes. Oh, it's right here. It's right in front of me. Oh my god. So you come with me. You go over here. And then, oh no, and then I have to wait 2 seconds for the camera to go back. All right. You came in at the right time. Yeah, how's it going, Josh? That was cool. That was a win. I can stop right now. I have dinner reservations in an hour and a half. So I got some time. We can make it better. We can do better. We should have a little bit of a bounce, right? Let's do that. Let's give it a little bit of a bounce. Some squash and stretch. Yeah, let's get all juicy with it. Museum. Display. Put an animator on it. Make a new controller. Do I even need a control? Can I just like put an animation? Can I just make a brand new animation? So animation, create. No, it's gonna force me to make. So this is the squash, stretch, appear. I can use this anywhere. It's just gonna be really generic. Bounce and stretch it 1,000 times. I did it. I already did a post that it's 1,000 times, and I don't even like it. My post is kind of lame. But yeah, I don't know. What I said earlier is, it's still true. Every 15 minutes, something on Twitter is happening, and I don't know. Just keep this party going. Keep the party going. So squash and stretch appear. Transform, scale. I need to put something here temporarily, so let's put a tree. Put the birch tree. So we're going to end, obviously, with a scale of 1. We're going to start (1.25, 1.25). And then we're going to come up here. Oh, it's, whoops, I don't have recording on. 1.25 or 1.4. Let's say 1.4, 0.6, 1.4. And then we're going to shoot it up. So like 0.7, 1.3, 0.7. Boing. It's so slow. And then I want it to like wiggle a little, so we'll do 0.8, 1.15, 1.15. All right, it's kind of okay. I'll do one more cycle. So let's copy this. Oops. And then just lower these numbers a little. So 1.1, 0.8, 0.8. That's weird. And then, so this is spike, squash, stretch, squash one more time, but not so much. And then normal. Ooh, that's bouncy. Is that too bouncy? I don't have anything this bouncy in the game. Whatever. Whatever, man. I'm sorry I was ignoring you. I get really honed in when I'm animating. Sun is shining here. Man, this sun. Boy, do I not miss the sun. I am so happy that it's raining and cloudy every other day. You have no idea what LA did to me with the sun. I'm just so sick of the sun. So sick of it. It's been quite hot here too. Probably gonna get out and about, enjoy the sun. No, forget the sun. Sun is your enemy. Touching grass is good though. Finally whipping gas into shape. You're speaking Finn Sifty's language. We should just combine all social media services into one and call it crap takes on nonsense. .com, of course. I stopped using all social media and 99% of my anxiety is gone. That's very great. Very great. That is impressive. And I'm proud of you. I'm so delayed right now, like 30 seconds or so. This only happens on your stream. I'm not surprised. My setup is weird. I deleted my personal social media and I have no regrets. I've started using it now for my creative projects though. Who needs the sun? Yeah, who needs it? I don't need it. Kara's Hats, how's it going? Just saying hi. Can't stay today. Have a great one. Well, thanks for stopping in and saying hi. So this animator, it's literally just gonna pop in, and that's that. Why is it showing me this though? Museum display. Show me this. Animator. Yeah, it just does the one thing. MFW. What is MFW? I'm really bad with acronyms. My feelings when? My face when? Is that my face when? Nobody praises the sun? Ah. I got there. Okay, so that animation should just play. Oh, we need to trigger it. So we do need an idle state. Or you know what? I'll just turn the animator off and then I'll turn it on. Museum display. We'll say animator off. And then I need to remember this is supposed to be off. So maybe in the start here, I'll actually just turn it off. Why didn't it autocomplete that? Get. And then I'll say if the animator exists. And then if the animator exists, and we're unhiding stuff. So set children active if collected equals. So if active is true, we'll do it after everything's unhidden. And if active end animator. Okay, so that should trigger the animation, right? Oh wait, I didn't unhide this. Cool. Cool. Ooh, this is gonna be nice. This is gonna be. Oh no. Wait. Shoot. Shoot. No, I have this actually. It's the collection item. Photograph equals collection object cast photograph. We have it. Okay. New photo collection clip. Audio clip. Oh crap. Can I just grab it statically? Collection system, collection tracker dot instance dot audio. I'll have to make it public. Oh, it is public. It is public. Cool. Nurk! Well, hello there to you. Damn it. They got through this time. Well, at least when they do say something, I can click the ban button and I don't have to type it. Anga. Where are you, Anga? I don't know how to run this bot you sent me. How many monitors do I use? I have 3. So I have my laptop, and then I have 2 normal monitors. I do need to go stop the dog from doing whatever she's doing. Excuse me for 5 seconds. Nurk, I want you to type how you're doing before I get back. Okay, all's good. How come you keep getting hit with these? I don't know. Maybe it's because I respond to them. You know? They're too popular. No. No, no, no. I don't see anyone else getting hit with them who are much more popular than me. Yeah, I just hear the dog licking from the other room, and I'm just like, that can't be good. I know it's not good. She can't be licking. Okay, so we did good today. Let's test. Let's see how it is. You're in for a treat, Nerkmind. Did she have surgery? She has in the past, but this particular ailment is not surgery related. She has a hot spot on her side, and she kind of like ripped all the fur out in that area. And if she's left to her own devices, she just keeps chewing it and making the hot spot bigger and bigger and bigger. Block term online casino. Block term followers and viewers. Well, all those things got blocked anyway. Like, none of those messages come through, right? I've never seen them ever get a message through. Oh, wait. I gotta catch up. Tool, camera. Give me that camera. Give now. But then they never appear, and if they never appear, they stop trying to say it. Oh, I see. She doesn't know what's good for her now. She's a dummy. Dumb, dumb dog. All right, we got a young pine. And got this infant pine. Prime pine. Because the bot's API looks for a response that they've been denied. And if they don't get the response, they keep trying. But, I mean, aren't they getting denied? Like, they're getting denied in a different way. They're not getting auto-modded, but... Turning cog, how's it going? Here's someone that knows how to activate auto-mod. I love how that's your identity now. It's the auto-mod tester. Testing your auto mod to the limits of how much it can mod. Brought to you by Vault-Tec. Sorry, I've been watching Fallout lately. Capture the Wild. Active. Jeez. Okay, you ready? You ready for this? We're gonna full screen it. It's gonna be fantastic. Capture the Wild. Got anything new for me? Yep. Let's take a look. That's not exactly what I had in mind. Young pine tree. And it never stops. It never stops. I forgot to delete the birch tree from the prefab. Maybe the auto mod settings have loosened because I have an actual mod in chat now, which is rare. Not been assigned. That's total bullshit. It has to bounce 1,000 times. No. Would it be wrong to post another one of those? Because there's so many values that I'd love to crank to 10,000 or to 1,000. All right, we don't need this tree. Goodbye. And why did the camera break? Because the camera is definitely already attached. Meadow biome. Yeah, look at that. The camera is definitely there. So I was getting this unassigned reference. Virtual camera. Oh, wait, what? It's only starting if it's the right thing. The other ones aren't set up yet, but that's okay. Hmm. I think I need to wind this stream down. Maybe. Oh no. So I made reservations for a place at a very safe time of 8:30, thinking, yeah, even if my wife has to work a little late, we should be able to make 8:30. It's not looking good. Peepo sad, yeah. All right, so I got rid of the. I don't know why it was throwing that error. Let me try again. No, why would trying again help? It won't help. How did you get reservations at Dorsia? What's Dorsia? Okay. No, I just want to get this to work and then we'll raid out. American Psycho, is that what that's from? I saw half that movie once. I'm not like a horror movie fan, as you might be able to tell. Oh wait, I didn't save this. I wonder if that mattered. That was unsaved. Hmm. It's not a horror movie? It's a thriller. Americans. It's a book booyah. The movie is more like a comedy. To you. I don't like feeling stressed. That's why I don't like horror related things. All right. What could have made this not work? What could have made this not work? Does the pond biome accidentally have that photo in its props? Oh, it does. That's why. It's because of this. This is the thing that failed. So let's just hide these. And then the cave. The cave should be fine. Okay. Oh wait, no, it has this. It has them too. So these failed. Let's delete them. I don't need them. Okay, we're ready. Also, The spawn point shouldn't be 0. It shouldn't be transformed opposition. It should be like plus vector 3 dot up times 0.75. I don't know. Should be a little bit off the ground. There's a whole chapter about Whitney Houston. Wait, what? The book is all about the fine line between reality and fiction, about whether or not what he's experiencing and everything he's saying is real. Shockingly, Christian Bale didn't do a great job of translating a personality disorder to the screen. Are you saying you don't like Christian Bale? Oh, that makes sense. That's why we got 2 of those errors, because 2 of those displays were, they all had that tree as a thing. Instead, the movie assumed that everything was real and the world was inherently evil and complicit in his actions rather than dealing with the actual subject of the book. It's a rambling modernist type, but dislocated. This is too much literature. This is my fault. This couldn't be auto-modded. Reading. I haven't read a book in so long. The last book I read actually was about trees. It was about how trees communicate. That was like 3 years ago. All right, where are you, Jeff? Capture the Wild active. Okay, this is it. We're gonna full screen it. It's gonna be great. Hi there. My name is Jeff. Got anything new for me? Yup. What have we got here? Oh, damn it, I forgot. It still loops. I used to believe I didn't like reading because school made us only read shit books that are boring as fuck. Yeah. Um, I liked. There was a point in my life where I used to read a lot. But then my career started getting like serious. I started. You know what it was? The only time I ever had like a moment to read was on my commute in New York, like on the train. So I'd always have a book ready with me. So whenever I was going 30, 40 minutes on the train somewhere, I'd read. Then I started, dating my now wife, and we would commute together to work. And then that was it, reading over, done. Never read again. All right, I got to make that not infinite. I thought looping was default off. That's really annoying. Squash. Not butternut squash. Loop time. Now you read Unity documentation? Yeah, that's pretty much it. Like the scene where he goes back to the apartment where he's killed people and the realtor has just covered up 2 murders so they can sell it. In the book, that scene is in the beginning of the end for Bateman because it reveals that he might actually be seriously ill because no one in their right mind could or would cover that up. Huh. And then to spoil the end of the book, it starts to confirm it because inanimate objects start talking to him like a twisted Disney movie. Wait. Oh, I didn't know that. I didn't know that happened. Reading is literally broken in real life. Yeah. Tool cam. Capture the wild active. Can't do it here. Nope. Okay, here we go. Got anything new for me? Not today. Wait, what? Oh, I didn't take the photo yet. I'll never get this right. Iron Man Mark, how's it going? Wait, why isn't this tree an adult? Every time I come back to this zone, this tree is in a different state. It's an infant right now. It was an adult before. And then this was a prime. This is weird. Finn, this is the best book report I've read in a long time. It's true. I've learned stock market, managing my money, cleaning, read The Art of War, which translated to sports class, and dealing with people just from reading, to name a few. Wait, what? Okay, this is it. Capture the wild. Got anything new for me? Yeah. Wait, what is this? Bonk. Infant pine tree catalog entry added. Done. Sick. Do I have any more? Capture the wild. Got anything new for me? Yelp. Let's take a look. Sick. Fuck yeah. All right. We did it. That's it. That's all I'm doing for today. That's all I can take. I'm so tired. We're gonna raid. Who we gonna raid? Ghostbusters. We're gonna raid Pirate Software. Let's raid Pirate Software. Everybody, thank you for hanging out with me. Oh my god, what a good one. No raid, only book club. Did you reach your goal? Which goal? Yeah, that was the goal. We finished that little feature. I think so. Credit time. Credit time. Maybe we got some real followers today instead of Twitch scam. Roll credits. Chanakin, Venrix, and Enskaroa. And seriously, FLT MMO, thank you for that raid. We're going to go hang out with Practical. He's up early. Purple Moss, thank you for hanging out. Only 40% today? 40% what? Book club? Real followers? Oh, yeah, 40% real followers. Or 40% bot followers today, yeah. Easy Al? Yeah, we did it. All right. I'll be back tomorrow early in the morning.